Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we're going to prepare today is a spiced tequila old fashioned. Not spiced as in hot spice, but spice as in like chai, tea spice, like spices, right? So first thing first, we're going to use a bar spoon of this spice Demerara syrup. It's a little extra spice. You can just, if you got like a sugar cubes, the Demerara sugar cubes, you can use that. But I got this spiced syrup. So I'm going to go 1 bar spoon. Next, I'm just add just a splash of club soda, just a splash, to help mix that a little bit. All right, next we're gonna go 1.5 ounces of a Reposado tequila, Reposado, sorry, 1.5 ounces. Next, to enhance our spice flavor, we're gonna go with some allspice dram. Right, you can find this at some liquor stores, like Total Wine, stuff like that, or but anyway, we're gonna go with 1/4 ounce of an allspice dram. And last but not least, we're gonna go with 4 dashes of an orange bitter. 1, 2, 3, 4, and some change. 1, 2, 3, 4, and some change. Give this a nice little stir before we add some ice. Get it good and mixed. Now I'll give it 1 final stir to chill. Got our rocks glass. Got our orange. So there you have it, guys. A spiced tequila old fashioned. This is a winner. Again, with the spices, the flavors, that simple syrup, Demerara simple spice already, like, it's a really complex tasting drink. Really, really good. This is a good version of an old fashioned. Again, if you don't like bourbons and you want to try an old fashioned, tequila ones are pretty good. And this one is probably one of the better ones. Anyway, do not forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.